William Hardy, Bill Lamplugh. The 12th of June 1914 to 17 January 1996. Was a British teacher and archaeologist based in Yorkshire. Biography. William Lamplugh was born in Driffield, East Riding of Yorkshire in 1914. He graduated from Hull University with a degree in physics. During the Second World War, Lamplugh was appointed pilot officer with the Royal Air Force Volunteer Reserve on the 11th of July 1939 and finished the war as a flight lieutenant. He was a member of the Scarborough and District Archaeological Society, through which he began excavating Bronze Age barrows in the North York Moors. The Society did not continue this work, so Lamplugh undertook the project personally, with the help of his friend John Ronald Lidster, a fellow archaeologist. Between 1948 and 1961, Lamplugh and Lidster excavated 37 such barrows in the North York Moors. He and Lidster also led excavations for the Scarborough and District Archaeological Society in 1951. At the site of King Alfred's Cave, Ebbston, North Yorkshire. North York Moors barrow excavations. Lamplugh and Lidster, along with William's young son David, excavated and recorded the remains of the barrows. The finds and site archive were acquired by the Yorkshire Museum in October 2011. Excavated sites included barrows at several sites. Broxio Forest. 4 barrows excavated in summer 1949 at the western edge of Broxio Forest. Barrow 1, measuring 37 feet in diameter, was 3.5 feet high and contained 2 cremations, flint knives and scrapers, and a rare bone hook. Barrow 2, measuring 36 feet in diameter, was 2.5 feet high and contained 2 cremations. Barrow 3, measuring 44 feet in diameter, was 3.5 feet high and contained 1 surviving cremation, having been part excavated in the 1880s. Broxio 4, measuring 50 feet in diameter, was 6 feet high, had at least 7 cremations associated. Suffield. Several barrows excavated in the 1950s. Kirklees. Excavated by Lamplugh and Lidster with the Scarborough and District Archaeological Society in 1949. Large barrow north of Kirklees Farm, near Burniston, 75 feet in diameter and 7 feet in height. No cremation was recovered, but finds included a jet block and ceramic fragments. Hackness. Several barrows excavated in 1949. Publications. Lamplugh, W. H. and Lidster, J. R. 1959. The excavation of King Alfred's Cave, Ebbston. Transactions of the Scarborough Archaeological and Historical Society, Volume 55, pp. 16-31. Lamplugh, W. H. and Lidster, J. R. 1960. The excavation of the Kirklees Barrow, Transactions of the Scarborough Archaeological and Historical Society. New Series. Volume 3. pp. 29-32. See also. North York Moors. Bronze Age Britain. History of Yorkshire. Tumulus. North York Moors website.